Welcome, little learners! Today, we're going on an A to Z tools adventure. Let's learn,
discover, and have fun!
A for axe.
A for axe.
Look, this is a bolt. B for bolt.
B for bolt.
Look, this is a chisel. C for chisel.
C for chisel.
This is a drill. D for drill.
D for drill.
These are ear protection. Action. E for ear protection.
E for ear protection.
Here is a flashlight. For flashlight, a flashlight helps us see in dark places. These are goggles. G for goggles.
Safety goggles help protect our eyes.
Look, this is a hammer. H for hammer. For hammer, a hammer is used to drive nails. This is an impact wrench.
Ah!
It helps tighten nuts and bolts.
For impact.
It helps tighten. Here is a jigsaw. J for jigsaw. A jigsaw can cut shapes in wood. Look, this is a key. K for key. A key can open and lock things.
And lock things.
Now, a level helps us check if something is straight. This is a tape. M for measuring tape. We use it to measure length.
To measure length.
What is this?
A nail.
N for nail. A nail helps join wood. This is an oil can. An oil can is used to apply oil to tools and machines. These are pliers. Pliers help us grip and hold small objects. This is a quick clamp. Q for quick clamp.
A quick clamp.
A clamp helps hold. Look, this is a ruler. R for ruler.
R for ruler.
A ruler helps us. This is a screwdriver. S for screwdriver. A screwdriver helps tighten and loosen screws. Look at this, a toolbox. T for toolbox.
T for toolbox.
A toolbox. This is a utility knife.
U.
U for utility knife. Handle it safely. This is a vise. V for vise. A vise holds an object firmly in place.
Unvice.
Now, here is a wrench. W for wrench. A wrench helps tighten and loosen nuts and bolts.
Yeah.
This is a yardstick. Y for yardstick. A yardstick helps measure longer lengths. This is the letter X. It's for an X-Acto knife. Can you say X? Great job! Z for zip tie. Z for zip tie. It holds things together.
Zip tie.
It holds zipper. Wow! We discovered so many tools today.
A, B, C, all the way to Z.
Great job, little learner!